we have 4 cups of coconut milk, 4 cups of glutinous rice. Isang bag nito, I think this is like 16 ounce, 1 pound of glutinous rice. And 2 cups of sugar. And itong vanilla extract, laki ng vanilla ko. At yung Ube Flavoring natin. Okay? And meron tayong 2 cups na coconut milk dito for later. Para gawing latik yan, pang topping sa ating calamay. Okay? Ito na. Let's put the coconut milk first. Let's get the last drop of the coconut milk. Scrape it. There you go. And then we'll put the sugar. Yung sugar, you could do it however you want it. Pwedeng dagdagan nyo, pwedeng kunan ninyo. Kung ayaw nyo ng masyadong matamis, then get less sugar. Basta yung measurement ko dito, yung coconut milk at yung glutinous rice is 1:1. 4 cups na glutinous rice, 4 cups din yung coconut milk. And then yung sugar ratio niya ay 2:1. Okay. Tapos lagay natin ang, just make sure na nahalo mo na talaga yung Tapos, lagyan natin ito pang pabango at bigay ng flavor. Ito ang favorite ko, yung butterfly bran. Okay, lagyan na natin ng ilang drops para pang flavor. Tingnan natin yan. Let's see. Okay. Dagdagan pa natin kasi para namang yan. Parang yung dark na purple color ang gusto nating mangyari dito. Yan, dagdagan pa natin. Para talagang maganda yung kulay, very appetizing. Tulang pa, kailangan damihan talaga. Ayan. Tapos lagay na natin ang, let's add the glutinous rice slowly. Parang mahalo siya. Unti-unti nating make sure halo-halo siya. Kailangan ma-mix ninyong maigi, parang hindi siya parang mo ning 1/3 parang hindi masyadong mahirap mag-mix. Nakahalo pa tayo nito, parang nangangalawit na yung ko. My arm's getting tired already and I'm just mixing these ingredients together. It's even, that's the hard part about making this calamay. Kasi yung pagluto mo nito, constant talaga yung paghalo-halo. You have to stir it constantly or it will stick and burn the bottom of it. So ano natin yung heat nito talagang between low and medium. Yan. Kasi we have to put it in medium heat kasi low, or it will burn on the bottom. So, and then you really have to constantly stir. Okay, ito na ang ating calamay. As you could see there, then the coconut becomes oil already. See? That's when you know that your calamay is done. The purpose really for that is that the coconut becomes oil, the coconut milk magiging oil na, and your calamay would last longer that way. Hindi masisira. Hindi madali masira yung calamay mo pag nag-oil na talaga yung coconut milk mo. And see, tingnan mo yan, how crystal clear it is now. So, this is done. Talagang ano na siya. Talagang luto na ang ating calamay. I'll pour it like this. Yeah. Big blob. And then we'll just spread throughout our pan. Perfect talaga yung ano natin, calamay. So excited. Yan. See how it's like crystal translucent. Yeah, that's what it is. That's the term. Talagang very shiny yung ano natin, yung calamay natin. Okay. Okay, then we let it cool off, and while we're letting this cool off, magawa tayo ng topping. So wonderful. Ito na ang ating topping. Ang final touch sa ating calamay. Daming topping. Dinamihan ko yung yung coconut milk Instead of just 1 cup, I did it with 2 cups. Parang masarap yung ano natin. Yung calamay natin, maraming topping. Because that's what makes our calamay really taste good. Even my husband enjoyed the coconut flakes. Really good. Go! Ito na ang ating calamay. Tikman natin. Oh.